Continuing with the controls, now we have the another control, that is the combo box. Combo box is going to create a list for you for number of choices. You can choose out of the list, as well as it is going to give you a box where you can do the entry also. That's the combo box. Then we have the list box. In the list box, a list will be displayed out of which you can choose, but you will not be given the option of writing the choice yourself in the text box. That's the difference between the combo box and the list box. Then moving ahead, we have the H scroll bars and V scroll bars. Sometimes we give the values, and those values are not altogether visible on the screen. So in that case, you need to scroll out. For scrolling, you have to make horizontal scroll bar or vertical scroll bar, whichever is applicable for you. Then we have the timer. A clock like icon is made. This is the timer. This will create an event that will be managed by the time. For a selected interval of time, some action will be done on the form. For that purpose, we are going to make use of the timer. Next we have drive list box. This drive list box will allow the user to select the disk drives from where the things are to be displayed or where things are going to be stored for the form. Then dir list. This will show the directories, that is the folders and the subfolders. You can see the icon of the folder is made over here. So this is going to show the directories. Then we have the file list box. Sometimes we may be in need of a file to manage our data or to enter the text. So where that text is going to be saved, where is it going to go? For that purpose, we are going to make the use of the file list box, and the icon appears like a file. Then if you are in need of drawing the geometrical shapes on your form, you are going to make use of the shape icon, the shape control, and the icon you can see over here. Some colored images, some colored geometrical shapes are shown. In case if you are in need of the line, you are going to make use of this icon to draw straight lines. Remember, this is going to draw straight lines. Next we have the image. This is going to be used if we want to display some images like icons or bitmaps. This is to display the image, and the picture box is to be used to display, to make the container. अगर इस picture को, if you have to keep this image under the container, then you are going to make use of the picture box. And if you are going to display an image without any of the container, then simply the image control will be used. And the last one, we have the data, because whenever we create, whenever we write anything in the form, that is stored in some of the database. So with the Visual Basic, Access database is used. So here, whatever you are going to give in the form, whatever information you are going to give in the form, that all is going to be stored in the database. And to store that in the database, we need to take help of the control, and that control is called as data. So this is going to help to connect the form with the database. So this was all about the controls of Visual Basic. I hope you all understood this well. Thank you.